Welcome to our guide on starting a drone business for infrastructure inspection. We'll explore essential resources to help you get started. First, let's talk about some must-read books. Starting a Drone Business by David A. Orozco offers a comprehensive guide, while Drones for Infrastructure Inspection by Ian C. Smith focuses on safety and data analysis. For a deeper dive into drone technology, check out Unmanned Aerial Vehicles by Paul R. Kearns. It covers everything from drone design to sensors and software. Podcasts are another great resource. The Drone Podcast and Drone Radio Show feature industry news and expert interviews, perfect for staying updated. If you prefer visual learning, YouTube has excellent content. How Drones Are Changing Infrastructure Inspection by DJI showcases the benefits of using drones for this purpose. For hands-on tools, consider AI platforms like DJI Terra and Drone Deploy. These tools offer data analysis, 3D modeling, and mapping capabilities. Courses can also be incredibly beneficial. Drone Pilot Ground School by Udemy helps you pass the FAA Part 107 exam, while Infrastructure Inspection with D. We hope these resources help you kickstart your drone business for infrastructure inspection. Good luck and happy flying!